Yeah, this is the modern day mummy. Was embalmed by Mrs. Lynn September of 1997. That's 27 years going, or a little over. She was unclaimed by her relatives, although they came within the first 3 months and up to a year after her death and give us all type of stories about not able to bury her, but she's here and we have been contacted over the years by nursing students and other people from the medical field as to the condition of the remains and to understand the difference between embalming the human remains vis-a-vis refrigerating the body. And so because when the body is embalmed, it does not decompose, it dehydrates, shrink down after time. Well, she's as hard as the wall, although she has dehydrated, shrunken maybe about half her weight when she came in 20 odd years ago.